grade 7. Next we start the exercise 6 TRS Aggarwal book maths. So the first question is find each of the following product. So in this first question we find the product of this is two algebraic expression. Okay. So how we do doing this question? So let me start the first question. In this first 5x in first bracket, this multiplied with whole of the second bracket like 3x plus 4. Okay. First this number 5x is multiplied with this whole of the 3x plus 4 in the second plus sign here, so plus 7 is multiplied with 3x plus 4. Okay, so we write like that. We write the sign also here the plus sign, so we write 5x whole multiplied with 3x plus 4, and here the plus 7, so we write plus 7, and this multiplies with 3x plus 4. So now we same in the previous exercise, like we first multiply 5x with whole of the 3x plus 4. So first number multiply with first. So first we constant 5 3 is 15. So x is 1, so it is x raised to power 2. Then 5x is multiplied with 4. So 5 4 is 20. Then x plus. The second plus 7 3 is 21. And x plus 7 4 is 28. So we now added the like term in this question. So answer will be 15x raised to power 2 plus 20x 21x. It is 41x plus 28. So this is the answers of question number 1. Like we are doing the next questions of this exercise. So the next question we are doing the fourth question of this. The fourth question will be 5y minus 1 the multiply with 3y minus 8. Okay, so in this questions like we multiply first 5y with whole of the bracket 3y minus 8. Okay, then we take minus 1 sign, 3y minus 8 whole. Okay, same like the first question. First 5y we take, 5y is multiplied with 3y minus 8, and the minus 1 we write here, and then minus 1 is multiplied with 3y minus 8 whole of the bracket. So first same 5 3 is 15. Constant number first multiply y1, it is y raised to power 2. So 5 multiplied with plus minus sign, 8 5 is 40. Then y, then minus 3, minus 1 into 3 minus 3y, so minus plus, then 8. So now we add or subtract the like terms in this. So it is 15y square. Then minus 40 minus 3 like terms, so we added both. The sign will be negative here. 43y plus 8. So this is the answers of question number 4 of this exercise. So next we are doing the question number we are doing the 8th question of this exercise. The 8th question will be 0.8x minus 0.5y. This is multiplied with 1.5x minus 3y. Okay, so this is the question. So we are doing these questions. 0.8x minus 0.5y, 1.5x minus 3y. Okay, so this is the questions. This is in the decimal form. So same method we applied here. 0.8x we write, this is multiplied with whole of the bracket 1.5x minus 3y. Then we take minus 0.5y. This is multiplied with 1.5x minus 3y. So now first we multiply 0.8 multiplied with 1.5 constant number, then x raised to power 2, multiply x into x, then minus 0.8 multiplied with 3, then x into y. Second minus sign, minus plus minus 0.5 multiplied with 1.5, and then yx, so it is yx. Then minus plus sign here, then 0.5 is multiplied with 3 into y raised to power 2, because here y1, here y1. So when we multiply, then it becomes y raised to power 2. So now here 0.8 is multiplied with 1.5. First we change in fraction form. So it is 8 by 10 into 15 by 10. So 15 8 is 8 4 is 4 0 4 120. Okay, so it is 120. So 120 by 100. So 120 by 100 we like, इसकी जो सेम वैल्यू 0 0 कैंसिल, So 12 by 10, so in decimal form 1.2. So when we multiply this one, so 1.2 x raised to power 2 is left. Then again next we multiply 0.8 with, so fraction form change, 8 by 10 into 3, so 24 by 10, so in decimal 2.4 is here, 2.4 xy is left here. Next 0.5 is multiplied with 1.5, 5 by 10 into 15 by 10, 75 by 100. So it will be 0.75. So we write this one is 0.75. xy we write also y xy. Y axis xy is on the same thing. Okay. So last the 0.5 is multiplied with 3. So 5 by 10 into 3, 5 is 15 by 10, it is 1.5. So plus 1.5 y raised to power 2. So now we subtract or add the like term. So answer will be 1.2 x raised to power 2. This is like term. So both be added. Sign will be negative. 2.4 added with 0.75. So answers will be 5, 11, 3.15. Okay. So 3.15 minus 3.7, sorry, 3.15 xy plus 1.5 y raised to power 2. So this is the answers of question number. Doing the 10th question of 10D exercise. Of 10th question will be 2 by 5x minus 1 by 2y, then 10x minus 8y. Okay, so this is the question. 2 by 5x minus 1 by 2y, 10x minus 8y. So let me start the 10th question. So here we 2 by 5 x is whole multiplied with 10x minus 8y. Okay, then minus 1 by 2 y, this is whole multiplied with 10x minus 8y. Okay, so in next step, first 2 by 5x is multiplied with 10. So 2 by 5x multiplied with 10x, then minus sign, 2 by 5x is multiplied with 8y, then second minus 1 by 2y multiplied with 10x, this, then minus minus plus sign, 1 by 2y multiplied with 8y. Okay, now we cut the numerator denominator. 5 2s are 10 here, so this is not cut, this is 2 5s are 10, and this is 4 2s are 8. So what we left, so 2 2s are 4, x raised to power 1, x raised to power 1, it is x raised to power 2, minus 2 by 5, so 8 2s are 16 by 5 x into y. So we write like also 8 by 1. So when we multiply this, so numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. When we with the multiplication sign in between them, two numbers. So 8 to the 16, 5 on the 5, 16 by 5 x y. Variables multiply with this 1 minus sign, then 5 1 the 5, so y x is left, plus, so here 4, then y1 multiply, it is y raised to power 2. Now we subtract or add the like term. So what is we left, 4x2 plus 4y2. Then we added this like term. So minus 16 by 5xy minus 5 by xy. Okay. So added these two terms, we take the LCMs like that. If you want to do plus 4y square, so this negative sign is common. Then xy is also common. Then what we left, 16 by 5 plus 5 by 1 will be left. So answer will be 4x square plus 4y square minus xy. Then we take the LCM is 5. So 16 plus 25 left. So what will be the answers when 16 plus 25 is 41 by 5. So 41 we will write 41 by 5. So this is the answer. So if you multiply first, 41 by 5 y is the answer of this question number 10. So next we are doing the question number of this exercise is 12 questions. We चलिए 12 नहीं, इसका 13 कर लेते हैं चलो. And we do the 13 questions. 13 question will be जो इजी हैं वो आप खुद कर लेना, उनको मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ आपके लिए. जो थोड़े से मुश्किल हैं जो आपसे नहीं होंगे वो मैं बहुत पे कर रहा हूँ. q raised to power 2 then it multiplies with 2p2 minus 3q raised to power 2. So 3p square plus q square plus 2p square minus 3q square. So this is the question. So same, we take the 3p raised to power 2, first multiply whole value 2p2 minus 3q2. Then we take plus q raised to power 2, then 2p2 minus 3q2. Okay, so here 3 to the 6, p2, when we multiply, then it is p raised to power 4. Then 3 is a 9, minus sign 9, p2 and q2. Okay, and next plus sign, q is multiplied with this 2, q2 and p2. Then plus minus minus 3, q2, it is q raised to power 4. Because the base same and power will be added. Okay, so like we added the like term here, 6p4 and this minus 3q4. So this is the like term. So here 9 here minus sign of with larger number is 9 here, then 2, the 9 minus 2 will be 7. So minus 7 p2 and q2. This is the answers of question number 30. So in the 17th question of this exercise 60, the question is x raised to power 4. This is multiplied with whole of x plus 1 upon x. Then we take plus 1 upon x4. This is multiplied with x plus 1 upon x. Okay, so now here we take x4 is multiplied first with x, so it is x raised to power 1. When we multiply this, it is x raised to power 5, 4 plus 1. Then plus sign, x raised to power 4 multiplied with 1 upon x, this second, plus 1 upon x4 multiply first with this x, plus 1 upon x4 into multiply with 1 upon x, this second term. Okay, so here what we left, x raised to power 5. So in the multiply sign both, so here x raised to power 4, here x, so 1x is denominator cut with numerator, so 3x is left, 1 left is cancelled with denominator x. Okay, so 3 left, 3 x raised to power 3 is left here, and here also x is cancelled with denominator x, so here also 3 x raised to power 3 is left. Okay, so answer will be x raised to power 3 plus here plus 1 upon x raised to power 3, x is cancelled, plus here numerator multiply 1 into 1, x raised to power into x, so here x raised to power 1. So when we multiply x4 into x in denominator, so answer will be x raised to power 5. So in denominator what we left, x raised to power 5. Okay, so now we add the like term x5 plus 1 upon x5. Okay, then plus x3 plus 1 upon x3. So this is the answer. अगर हम इसको आगे फ्रैक्शंस में भी कर सकते हैं, सॉरी एलसीएम में भी कर सकते हैं, तो यहीं तक ही आपने करना है इसको. So this is the answers of 17 question. Next week doing the question number 23. So this is 9x2. This is first number multiplied with the whole of x2 minus 3, then minus x is multiplied with x2 minus 3, then plus 15 here, and this is whole multiplied with x2 minus 3. Okay, in second step 9x multiplied with x, so it is 9x raised to power 4, 9 3 is a minus 27x2 minus plus minus minus x1 x2, it is x3 minus plus sign 3x plus 15 into x, 15x raised to power 2, 15 3 is a 45, so it is 45. Now we added or subtracted the like term. So here 9x raised to power 4 is left, 27 here x raised to power 2, here 15x raised to power 2. So this is negative sign, this is positive sign. So when we subtract 27 minus 15, so it is left 5 12. Okay, so minus 12 x raised to power 2 is left. And next here 3x, so we here minus x first we write, then we write 3x, then minus 45. Okay, so this is the answer. This question number 23. Next, the last question of 26. In this question, x raised to power 2 is multiplied with x2 plus 2, then minus 5x multiplied with x2 plus 2, then plus 8 multiply with x2 plus 2. So now we multiply x2, it is x raised to power 4, x2 multiply with 2, it is 2x raised to power 2, then minus plus minus sign, 5 multiply with x1, it is x3, then minus plus minus minus, 5 to the 10, x plus 8x raised to power 2 plus a to the 16. So now we add the like term or subtract the like term, x4 plus 2x square for 8x square. So when we added, both the sign will be positive, so 10x raised to power 2 minus 5 x3, then minus 10x, then plus 16. So this is the answers of 26 of 60 exercise. So the question is 3x plus 4, 2x minus 3 is multiply, then the plus sign, 5x minus 4, x plus 2 is multiply. Okay, so we start from this these two expressions. So here same method we applied, 3x is multiplied 2x minus 3 whole, okay, and the plus 4, this plus 4 is multiplied with 2x minus 3, okay. Then we write the plus sign, this one, this 5x is multiplied with x plus 2 whole, then the minus 4 is multiplied with x plus 2, okay. So next step, 3 to the 6, x multiply x raised to power 2, 3 3 is 9, then minus 9x, 4 to the 8, x minus 4 3 is 12, plus 5 into 1 is 5, then x raised to power 2, then x multiplied with x, then 5 to the 10, then x minus 4 into 1 4x, minus 4 into 2 is 8, okay. So now we add or subtract the like term, this is 6x square, this is 5x square, so both the sign will be positive, so here, then 6 plus 5 is 11, 11x, then minus 9x, 8x, 10x and minus 4x. These are like term. So first we added positive value by both marks, 10 plus 8 is 18. So 18, this is 9 plus 4, 11. So 18 minus 11. Okay. So this is sign will be positive because 10 plus 18 is 18x. So we write like that, 18x, 9 plus this is 9 plus 4, this is 13, minus 13x. Then minus 12 and minus 8. So this is 12 minus 8. This is minus 4. Okay, minus 4. This is 11x square. 18 minus 13 will be then 5 plus 5x minus 4. So this is the answers of question number 27. Okay, यहाँ पे हमने like terms को add किया है, जैसे 8 10 plus 8 is 18x, 9 plus 4 13 minus 13 is coming here, both be added, so the sign is negative, values will be added, and the minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4. So this is we subtract 18 minus 13, the like terms हैं, then 5x is coming here. So the 11x square plus 5x minus 4 is the answer of question number 27. Next we are doing the question number 29. See, so here 9x multiplied with whole of 2x minus 5, then minus 7 is multiplied 2x minus 5, then minus sign here, then with 3x is multiplied, this plus minus minus sign, take 5x minus 3, then minus minus is plus, sign will be plus, okay, then 8, then 5x minus 3 is multiplied with 8. So एक चीज़ का यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ पे जो नेगेटिव साइन है इसकी आपने गलती नहीं करनी है, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स से यहाँ से गलती हो जाएगी। तो आपको यहाँ पे माइनस साइंस को पहले इस टर्म्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ठीक है। प्लस माइनस माइनस साइन, माइनस 3x मल्टीप्लाई विद 5x माइनस 3, देन माइनस माइनस प्लस साइन, प्लस 8 इज मल्टीप्लाई विद 5x माइनस 3। तो साइंस की इसमें गलती नहीं करनी है व्हेन वी हेयर द नेगेटिव साइन। सो नेक्स्ट 9 2 18 x raised to power 2, 9 4 9 5 45, so minus 45x, ठीक है। माइनस 7 2 14x, माइनस माइनस प्लस 35, 7 5 5 3 15 minus 15 x raised to power 2, because x multiplied with x, x2, minus minus plus, plus 3 is a 9x, plus 8 5 is a 40 x minus 8 is a 24. Now we add the like terms here. This is 18x square, this is 15x square, so both these subtract 18 minus 15 will be 3x square, minus 45 minus 14, 9x, 40x. So this 45 minus 14 is minus 59x. This is 9 and this is 40, this is plus 49x. Then plus 35 minus 24 will be left. So now in the next step, 3x cube, 59 minus 49, this is minus 10x, 35 minus 24 will be 6 and 5, 11, so plus 11. So answers will be 3x square minus 10x plus 11 is the answers of. So this is the last question of this exercise 60. The question will be 3x square plus 5x minus 7 is multiplied with x minus 1. So first we multiply 3x2 with whole x minus 1, then we take 5x with whole x minus 1, then minus 7 with whole x minus 1. Then we take the negative sign here. Next, when this x2 is multiplied with this x plus 4 whole, then this minus minus is plus 2x multiplied with x plus 4, then this minus plus minus is minus, then 3x plus 4 multiply. So now we multiplied 3x square multiplied with x, it will be 3x raised to power 3. 3x square multiplied with minus, this is minus 3x2, plus 5x raised to power 2. 5x multiplied with minus 1, it is minus 5x, then 7x, 7 is multiplied with x, minus minus plus, 7 1 is 7. Then minus sign, x square is multiplied with this x1, so it is x raised to power 3, plus minus minus sign, minus plus minus minus sign here, then 4x raised to power 2. Then 2x is multiplied with x plus 2x raised to power 2, x1, x1, okay. Then 2x is multiplied with 4, 4 to the 8x. Then minus plus minus 3x, minus minus plus minus minus 4 3 is 12. So now we add those, subtract the like terms in the next step. 3x cube and the x cube. So these are like terms. 3x cube minus x cube will be 2x cube will be left. X square minus 3x square here, 5x square here, minus 4x square, 2x square. Okay. So first we add terms 5 plus 2. This is 7. So 7 is plus 7 x square. Then minus 3 here, and this is minus 4 is here. Then both be added. Then minus 7x square will be left. Okay. So next, minus 5x minus 7x like term. So we in the next 8x and minus 3x. So minus 5, this is 12. 12 minus 3 added all, then minus 15x will get. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15, because all the values sign will be negative in 3. Minus 5x, minus 7x, minus 3x, it will be minus 15x. Then plus 8x we write in last. And next constant term 7, and last will be minus 12. So 7 minus 12 will be this is minus 5. Okay, because the larger value will be negative sign. Okay, so next step 2x 3, 7, this is plus minus sign, it will be cancelled. 15 8, this is 7. So minus 7x minus 5, this is the answers of question number